everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share a game I recently bought called Diggy the Dog. It's a fun family game designed for 2 to 4 players. Inside the box you'll find Diggy the Dog, 28 household items, dice, and the instructions. To set it up you'll need 3 AA batteries, and the power switch is located at the back. To start the game, divide the items evenly between the players. Players take turns rolling the dice and placing that number of items into the garden hole. After placing the items, press the bone button and Diggy starts digging. As the game goes on, Diggy will try to dig up the items and return them to the players. If your items get dug up, they go back into your pile. The game ends when Diggy stops digging and stands up on his hind legs. The player with the least amount of items left in their pile is the winner. So that's all for today's video. I really enjoyed this game. It's easy to play, full of surprises and great fun for families. Let me know in the comments what you think of this game, and I'll see you next time.